Alright, so Rocket versus Babbel. Two heavyweights in the language learning space, but only one deserves your time and money. I've spent hours inside both of these platforms, and I'm going to tell you exactly what works, what doesn't, and which one you should actually buy. Just straight up insights on how these programs stack up, what they cost, and who each one is really built for. Let's start things off with Rocket. Rocket's program takes a slightly different approach to learning compared to Babbel. There are 3 language levels you work through, and each level has around 7 modules. Each module will begin with an audio lesson. These audio lessons will usually take about 30 minutes to complete. In these sessions, an English host walks you through conversations in your target language. After the audio lesson, you'll work through reinforcement exercises like mock conversations that grade your pronunciation. About half of the lessons have language and cultural insights that deliver concise grammar content and cultural notes with listening and speaking practice throughout. When it comes to language acquisition, we're big supporters of exposure and speaking practice. Rocket's lessons do this better than many apps. You'll listen to native speakers have simple everyday conversations, then a host will break down that conversation for you to work through it and repeat out loud. We also think people that enjoy listening to something while getting tasks completed around their house won't have any trouble slipping these longer 30-minute core lessons into their routine. The next highlight is Rocket's speaking tool. Rocket uses Google's web speech tool throughout your reinforcement exercises, which grades your pronunciation on a scale of 1 to 100. You can also go back afterward to listen to yourself speak, which we think can really help you work on your accent. My favorite use of the tech is the mock conversations, which now have videos of native speakers to go along with them. You take the role of either speaker from the audio lesson you just listened to. The speech tool is used a lot throughout Rocket's program, and we think this tool and how it's used throughout the program will be a lot more effective than Babbel's short speaking exercises. Another aspect we appreciate about Rocket's program is their detailed grammar instruction. Some programs that focus on audio lessons and speaking practice leave grammar up to the user to pick up on intuitively. In those language and cultural lesson segments we mentioned earlier, you'll focus on a grammar rule that will be broken down for you with a few easy-to-understand explanations and examples. These lessons help you to understand the structural differences between your target language and English. Now let's move on to Babbel. Babbel's program is a bit different from Rocket. Babbel focuses on developing your receptive and productive skills through shorter drill-type lessons. Your typical lesson with Babbel will take no more than 5 to 15 minutes to complete. There are different learning levels you can work your way through to get from newcomer to advanced level. The app will have you work through a series of exercises including listen and repeat exercises, flashcards, fill in the blanks, matching phrases to images, and mock conversations. Babbel believes this well-rounded approach to learning in small segments is the most effective way to develop the skills necessary to learn your target language. The big plus for Babbel is their short lessons. If you lead a busy life, you'll probably find it easier to fit in a bite-sized Babbel lesson versus the longer ones from Rocket. Babbel's lessons take at most 15 minutes max to complete, which makes them super easy to fit into your day. Not only that, but the variety of practice drills will keep you engaged and excited to get through the lessons. This makes Babbel great for people that get easily bored and keep the lessons interesting in general. Another advantage is how Babbel handles grammar. They found a sweet spot avoiding dense, boring instruction while not skipping it entirely. Grammar is smartly layered into lessons with quick one-slide teaching points and small little pop-up tips. This provides a fundamental grasp of language's speech patterns without overwhelming the learner when the goal is to start picking up things intuitively. The final pro is Babbel's user experience and bonus features. Outside the main lessons, the app offers games, podcasts, short audio lessons, and a digital magazine. The mobile app and desktop version are quick and easy to navigate, offering one of the best user experiences in the space. Now let's get into something that's on everyone's mind when picking a language app: cost. There are 3 different Babbel plans ranging from 3 to 12 months in length, and those are monthly subscriptions. The cost range for these monthly plans ranges from $8 to $15 a month after promotions. Babbel also offers a lifetime plan that's just a one-time purchase of $300. With the lifetime plan, you get access to all the different languages Babbel has to offer. Rocket, unlike Babbel, only offers one-time purchases and lifelong plans, meaning instead of subscribing for a few months, you'll keep your access to the program forever. Of course, this lifetime access you get with Rocket comes at a steeper price point, ranging from $150 to $450, but we often see discounts on Rocket by over 50%. Clearly, Babbel's cheaper than Rocket. But again, both apps are usually running some kind of promo or discount code, so don't let costs sway your choice completely. In fact, we'll keep the description below updated with all the latest promotions and discounts we can find for both apps. So be sure to check out the description before purchasing yours. So which app should you go with? Rocket or Babbel? Well, if you're an auditory learner looking to reach a higher level of fluency instead of the basics of your target language, Rocket would be a better option for you. Between intuitive lessons that have you listening to and speaking your target language from day one, with speaking practice backed by Google's Speech Tech, and language and cultural lessons that help you form an understanding of the language you're learning, we think Rocket is the better app for reaching a higher level of fluency in a new language. On the flip side, if you don't see yourself being able to set aside 30 minutes a day to take a language lesson, Babbel is going to be the better option for you. It's a great program if you're trying to get started with picking up another language, but lead a busy life. If you're on a tighter budget, the subscription cost could also be a big reason for you to choose Babbel. Overall, both of these programs are pretty well-rounded, and you can use both to supplement one another. For a full breakdown of all the features, pricing, and our own hands-on experience using these programs, check out our full written review. All you gotta do to find it is Google Guide to Fluency, Rocket versus Babbel. By the way, we'll also be giving away a free language learning app to one of our subscribers. Just check out the details down below to learn more. It's super simple to enter, just like, comment, and subscribe. That's all for now. Best of luck out there. Bye.